We're going to count them down by 3. We're going to turn them loose. We're going to do this just like the big boys. I'm looking around the pit. I need flags for both my officials. We've got green flags. What's that mean, folks? That means you fans count them down Fulton County style. 3, 2, 1. Turn them loose, guys. Boy, I'll tell you what, I'm looking for this to be like a rat pack on a Saturday night. Oh, looks like we got a little bit of competition down here. Here comes Hudson at car 22. Its sign says, beware the kid. Number 6, it is big 4-wheel drive looking for the right person to lay into. Oh, we got the Jeep, number 47, over with the smokestack out the back. Grave Digger's tied up down here with the dozer, number Z29. Excuse me, 129. This dude here's hair so poking out, it pokes around the top of his helmet here, number 99. Oh, a nice shot down here with dozer 129 and 4T, it looks like. Oh, and the 1 car over here is getting right with the program. Oh, and another nice shot by car number 1. Oh, bad to the bone, the Grave Digger getting with the action out here, pushing a little minion car around. I've just seen these little brain buckets there. It looks like a little minion on top. Pretty cool. Oh, the black Jeep over here doing some damage. Here comes 216 looking for someone to hit. Oh, and he lays into the minion. Well, I hope you don't lose these deer out there. It'd be hate to have roadkill out here in the middle of the demo pit. Round and round we go. Where we stop, nobody. Now these kids got their demolition derby talents from their mothers in the Walmart parking lot. Now, if you was out there this afternoon, they was showing them what to do with the family good grocery getter. Oh, looky here. Some of the cars are starting, the batteries running low already. You guys need to have a talk with your mechanics. I don't think they got a full charge on the battery here tonight. Oh, number 5 getting in the action a little bit. Casey's still getting out right there in the middle, car number 1. Oh, and 129 still getting with the program. I believe that's supposed to be, is that a unicorn or something? Or? Or 6 getting to be my age, you don't know what all them little things are anymore. Oh, and the black car number 5 getting with the action down there, pushing the minions around. Gray said he's still out there laying out the punishment in car number 1. Excuse me, it's Casey, my mistake. Car 19, I think he's getting weighted down by that deer hanging out the back of his truck. But look at the exhaust pipes coming out the hood of that number 19 with the deer on the back. He's got the dual exhaust coming out the top. Careful, Mom, don't get run over out there. Mom, you was in charge of the accessories and they're falling off in the pit here. Now Dozer's out of balance now. He's getting pushed around a little bit. We are on a time limit, folks, so guys are keeping track of time. Once the time is up, they'll call the event. You folks need to let these kids know. Are you enjoying this Powerwheels demo tonight? Now come on, folks. You can do better than that. These little shakers got helmets on. Are you enjoying these Powerwheels tonight? That's what I was thinking. Now that admission you paid was not just to get your seat, that's for the privilege to participate in all the activity here tonight. I tell you folks, as I'm looking around, what a group you got here tonight. We do a lot of demolition derbies, a lot of tractor pulls, a lot of mud runs all over the country. One of the biggest crowds we've ever had for a demolition derby. Hats off to you and your fair board. Not to mention the great crew with Twisted Metal Demolition crew being here tonight. We got a whole bunch of sponsors we want to cover tonight as we go through this. We'll make sure we get them all covered numerous times. If you know somebody, one of these sponsors, that you be in their business, need their help, or if you see them on the fairground, make sure you thank them for all they do, because without the sponsorship, we wouldn't be able to do half of what we're doing here this weekend. Lord's sakes, now it's starting to make sense to me, folks. Car number 19 with the deer on the back. That's a local outlaw lady driver right there. Always got to be special, don't they? Pretty cool with the deer on the back, though. That is a first. That is an Addison Bauer. Addison Bauer out there, car number 19 with the deer on the back. Oh, and 99's getting in the action out there. Oh, look at his car, folks. 99 has even moved his forward and reverse switch on a longer lever so he can shift it up higher. Pretty good thing. You don't have to bend over to hit the switch. He's got it right there at his hand operator. Nice job. Oh, and number 1 puts a little punishment out there on the purple one over there on the far side. You notice part of the rules is they have to have some type of helmet on, anything from a bicycle helmet on up. And look, the way I'm looking around, the guy can make a living being a barber in this town. All these kids with their hair sticking out through the top of their helmet. Next year, Mom, you have to get her one with reverse.
I don't want it. Throw it out. The steering wheel too fine. It's all done.
Oh, we got more accessories coming off of cars, just like the regular demo, folks. Pieces and parts all over. Oh, he'll be fine, Dad. Oh, don't hit Dad now. Easy there, lady. Thinking lady driver's going to get that one last hit in, you know. Like me and my wife, she always has to have the last word. That's the best part about traveling and announcing I can talk about it. She's not here. And I know nobody in the crowd's going to call and tell her. I bet if Buzzy's here, he's already on the phone. Oh, Little Shaker's having a lot of fun out there, I'll tell you what. What more fun than to go out with your Power Wheels? You know at home, they just want to run into something. Well, they're allowed to here. Mom and Dad have a tendency to get a little bit upset with them dings in the bottom of the doors with them. Out here, it doesn't matter. They can do what they want to do. These are your future Demolition Derby drivers, folks. Your future of the Demolition Derby right here in front of you. Got him a Cadillac Denali, or GMC Denali out there. Good looking truck, number 54. Oh, I'll tell you what, the guy in the red and black keeps getting into it. He's even standing up in car number 5 trying to get that little extra power as he makes contact. I tell you, fans, I don't know if they've got it here tonight or not, but some of the places we do with Twisted Metal, they've got a class for people just before they get their license. They have a licensed driver ride with them. You talk about kids getting in the program, that's quite a thing to watch. So if you have never had that here, you might talk to Ryan and the guys at the Derby crew about that. It's a pretty cool class. Easton Jack's over in a 007 car. He's got his eyes wide open. Oh, and he's seen where he was headed. And as he hits his shot, that number 5 Jeep rolls up and lays one in the back of the house. Oh, they're getting closer and closer to the end, folks. Little Shakers are having a good time out here. Have you ever seen those bumper stickers that says it's one with the most toys wins? This is where it all starts. Mom and Dad get those little Power Wheels, and the game is on. Now, you know, in about 10 years from now, when Junior comes home with a diesel pickup blowing smoke with 44s underneath it that you can walk under and change your oil without a creeper. Mom and Dad's going to wonder, where did they ever get these ideas from? Might just happen to be in the county fair.
She's gotten a lot of requests to film the Powerwheels.
He says, fix it or get out of the road. I'm on a mission. Oh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. All of our